Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to update Jira Sprint through REST API. In previous video, we have discussed how to create a sprint through REST API, but here we'll see how to update the sprint practically through REST API. For doing this, we are using Postman. Before proceeding further, let's understand the endpoints. Generally, endpoint is required to send the request. How we'll generate this endpoint? So probably we need to add domain name, which we will get it from here. So exactly this detail we have to copy and paste it there, and post that we have to add the path. So this is not only the path, we have to add it REST Agile 1.0 sprint and then sprint ID. So if you can see here, in previous video we have created the sprint. So we'll add 51 here and post that we have to modify the request body. Sprint data, we have to add or change the body. So earlier in the previous video, we have discussed how to create the sprint where we have used this body. But if you want to change the detail about the sprint, probably we'll add some more fields like start date, state. Maybe we'll mark this as complete. So here we'll add state as closed because we want to close the sprint. And after that, we'll add the complete date. So for adding the complete date, we will make the changes. We will add here semicolon so that our string will be valid. And here we have to add exactly same date because we have end date specified 5th of October. So now this will become a proper updation spread. Now for doing this activity, we cannot use the post method. We have to use the put method, and after that we have to specify the sprint ID, which we will use it. And now our string is ready. Before sending, we have to make sure that when we'll update full update for the sprint, a full update means that the result will be exactly the same as the request body. Any fields not present in the requestations will not set to null. Sprints that are include state cannot be updated. That is the condition. And sprint can be started by updating the state to active. This requires sprint to be in future state and have a start and end date set. A sprint can be completed by updating the state to closed. These actions require the sprints to be in active state. This sets the complete date to be time of the request. Other changes to state are not allowed. And if we have future sprint, we cannot close that sprint. So these are the preconditions should be met. Now we are done. Let's click on send. Once we'll click on send, it will ask transition from the future state to closed state is not supported. So for doing this, we have to start the sprint. So we don't have any tickets here. So let me create some tickets. Create. We have some backlog item. Now we can click on start. The sprint has been started and we can see this. Now this time when I will click on send, that sprint status will be updated to closed. So if the sprint is not started it, we cannot close it. So if the sprint is active, then only we will close it. So this is how we can perform this activity or update any sprint detail through REST API in Jira. If you want to learn about Jira with Agile, you can watch my Jira with Agile playlist. And if you want to learn Jira REST API, please watch my Jira REST API playlist. I will also include both the link in description tab. Hope This will be helpful for you. If you think so, this is useful, don't forget to share with the new circle. Thank you for watching.